Hi everyone, this week I'm making party ham sliders. To make this you're going to need one 12-count package of dinner rolls. I think Hawaiian rolls work the best. 1 pound of deli ham, 8 slices of Swiss cheese, 1 teaspoon each of poppy seeds, minced onion flakes, and Worcestershire sauce, half a stick of butter, and some mustard. Start by cutting the dinner rolls in half, and on each side you want to add mustard. Once you have your mustard on there, you're going to layer your ham, and you don't want to slap your ham on willy-nilly. Take some time and just kind of give it a little bit of a fold. But this gives it height and just makes everything look really good. Once you have your ham on there, you're going to put on your Swiss cheese, and then you're going to put on the top of the dinner rolls. Now take your half stick of butter and melt it and add in the minced onion flakes and the Worcestershire sauce. Once you have that combined, pour it over the rolls, and instead of using a spoon like I did, if you have a basting brush, just use that. That way you know the butter gets everywhere. Once you've poured on the butter, you're going to take the 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds and sprinkle them on top. I really like the poppy seeds, so I went a little heavy-handed, but you don't have to add that many if you don't want to. The best part about this recipe is that it can be changed and adapted to so many different flavors. I went with the classic ham and Swiss cheese because that's what I found in my recipe book, but I have seen so many different types of recipes, and you can swap out and change any part of this recipe. And the way I like to think about it is that if you've eaten it as a sandwich before, you can easily adapt the recipe for these sliders. So get creative when you're making it and just have some fun with it. I don't really think there's any way to go wrong with this recipe. To bake them, you're going to cover with foil and bake at 325 degrees for 20 minutes, then uncover and bake for 5 minutes, and you're going to find that they get really nice and toasty and warm and just so delicious. And would you just look at that amazing cheese pull? And you can bet that was delicious. This recipe was so delicious, so make sure you make it for your next party. And let me know in the comments if you've ever had this recipe before. I'll see you guys here next time on Vintage Cookery. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you follow for more.